We now have the tableau presented by Soil and Water Conservation Officer. Here's depicts the various projects which include solar water pump. Meghalaya is a hilly area where supply of electricity is difficult in remote villages. Besides that, load shedding is very common in the state and also water scarcity, especially during winter season. The Soil and Water Conservation Department, in convergence with MGNRGS, has initiated installation of solar pumps in a couple of villages to ease out the problems faced by the village communities.
Here comes the tableau of the Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, Southwest Kassil District. Here the tableau, it tells about the integrated fish farming system. The principle of integrated fish farming system involves farming of a fish along with livestock and agricultural crops. This type of farming offers great efficiency in resources utilization as waste product from one system is effectively recycled.
The PHE Department's Mawkyrwat Division present a tableau on the theme Jal Jeevan Mission. This mission aims to provide functional tap water connection to every household in India by 2024. This tableau also shows the water from the flowing river is conveyed through GI pipes, water supply to a village by gravitational flow.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we have the tableau of the Office of the District's Medical and Health Officer. The tableau of Health Department represents the scenario of immunization of children of the district where the coverage of immunization is still very low. Immunization is very important for each and every child. Children under 2 years of age should get fully immunized against vaccine-preventable diseases, and similarly to all pregnant women to get vaccination during their pregnancy. With the first and second round already completed, the date for the third and fourth round the third round will be on 3rd February 2020 to 11 February 2020. The fourth round will be 2nd March 2020 to 11 March 2020.
The Department of Agriculture and Horticulture kapan ishapi ya ka jingrap ya ki plantation crops kung usnep kor bat ki kwai haki jaka rap bakham saad kawanra ka jing ki bakini ki jing rap ki wanra ya jing mentoy shibun ya ki nong rap Katanat District Horticulture kapan shlo ya ki nong rap ban rap ya kini ki jat jing tung ki baladon lupa ka jing dawa haki yo ki han kapan seluruh ya kinong rap ban wanra ya ki khandau na ki jaka rap ban phates bat ban sam ya ki report link ba ka scheme soil health card Katanat Agriculture.
And here comes the next tableau, that is from the Department of the District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer under the theme of FMD eradication. Kajingpen dojat ya kajingpang nyang khap bat nyang thled. FMD, foot and mouth disease. Lane ka nyang khap nyang thled kadai kajingpang bashirkhay bakta yaki shinre. Kiblang kilang brod kisnyang bat khamtam lei ki masi. Kane kawanra ya kajingdu nong kabakraw yaki nongri jingri. Amdan dawai balaban sumar ya kane ka judging pang like no tang dagaba ay inject tika lane vaccination.
The DRDA and the Block Development Officer Mawkyrwat bring about the tableau under the theme Rural Development Bottom 40 approach. It is the development approach employed by the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India to generate a uniform incline towards development in the rural areas. It is a scope whereby the bottom 40 weakest families of the village are put in the priority list to assist them with their basic needs and suitable income generated activity. A house is given under the program Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin to give basic shelter to the poor. The sanitary unit along with the harvesting unit and the poultry shed are assisted through MG and REGA. All there is translating to helping the poor with a shelter, basic needs and form of livelihood.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for the beautiful display of the tableau by different departments. So, after that wonderful tableau presentation by different departments, we will have a light refreshment which will be followed by cultural and entertainment program to be performed by special invitees and by the students.